Hi, my name is Mario Mees and I work here at Anubex. We are modernization specialists migrating applications from the mainframe to the cloud. When people are considering the future of their mainframe legacy applications, they basically have three choices. Two of these choices, the obvious ones, have already received a lot of attention in the past. The first choice is implementing new applications. This can be done either via development, be it from scratch or via re-engineering of existing specifications, or via implementing packages. Gartner calls this rebuild or replace. The second choice is to stay as close as possible to the current solution. This can be done via encapsulation or via a lift and shift. The lift and shift on its own can be done without recompiling or with making some minimal changes and recompile the application. Gartner, in its taxonomy, calls these three the reuse, the rehost, and the replatform, respectively. It has become clear in recent years that both of these options do not offer the right solution. The first group of solutions, rebuild and replace, can of course offer an attractive promise. Only the horror stories of the last 30 years have prompted most companies to carefully reconsider their options and to look for more controllable and more manageable approaches. If selected anyway, this approach will take years or maybe even decades. The result will not only be too risky, too costly, but probably also too late. So, if you want to consider rebuild and replace, only do it if two conditions are met. First, you have enough time and budget. Maybe you should even double the original estimates. Secondly, there is a huge deficit between the current applications and the business needs. Since there is an upcoming skill issue, these solutions are not good enough because they do not offer a solution at all. The technologies stay the same. COBOL will still be COBOL, JCL will still be JCL. With a whole generation of ITers, DBAs, architects, developers, operations people retiring, this is not how any organization wants to face the challenges of the future. So, when do you want to use the second group of solutions? Only if one condition is fulfilled. You are sure you still have the knowledge and the skills for the foreseeable futures, at least 10 years. If you want to buy time and you are looking for a quick solution, fortunately, there is a better alternative. There is a third group of solutions. You can convert COBOL, PL1, assembler into Java or C#, convert your JCL into a modern scripting language, and move to the cloud. This third group of solutions is the one you want to consider if your application still has value to the business and you're looking for a fast solution that solves all your skills issues. This is called re-architecting or refactoring by Gartner. There are a number of vendors out there by great solutions, and luckily, people that want to consider a mainframe migration are starting to find them. Find us at anubex.com.